U.S. options to fix Iran. You've got it next. You've got it now. Iraq. I'm sorry. U.S. options to fix Iraq. 5.
Currently, like
there's sanctions to be placed on Iran, so that way they. Wait. Oh no, it's on. It's on.
It's on Iraq. It's on Iraq.
Oh, it's on Iraq.
It's on Iraq. 4.
Right now, they're
to
putting
instill
more money into
democracy.
the private organizations that are actually funding Iraq, and
Minus
U.S.
4.
government have to be like
Minus 4.
Saddam Hussein so that they can control the situation as.
Minus 4. Maria's group, go. Beck's group's got it next. Go. Solutions to fix Iraq.
Putting in money to make that country more like a democracy. We took Saddam Hussein.
How much money are we putting in?
Over the course of the war, we're supposed to put in $2 to $2.5 trillion.
Yeah, the article says between 2 and 5 trillion. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you have an idea of how much it was at this point?
900 something billion.
The Iraq war by itself?
Almost $1 trillion.
Go ahead.
$700 million, I think, right?
Yeah, it was basically 700 billion is what it was, and it was talking about 950 or so billion with Iraq and Afghanistan together. Tell me more about what was suggested to do as far as fixing Iraq was concerned. We had a series of articles yesterday.
Rebuild infrastructure and things there, so like
That's what the money's doing.
we tore down like a lot of buildings and stuff in the process of warfare. So we're
Anything
putting more
else?
money to rebuild.
Got it. Anything else? Gotta go.
also
4.
borrowing money from China.
What's that?
We're borrowing money.
We're financing.
That's to fix Iraq.
Yes.
Minus 4.
Wait,
That's true, but that's not fixing Iraq. Us borrowing money from China. Go ahead, Beck's group. You guys have it.
One of the main things is to push a free and democratic area, so they have free elections with opponents to each other, just like we were talking about.
The U.S. did, and that is a big point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Democratic elections is a big deal. Anything else?
Another option would be, since they're so diverse in their religions, to go ahead and talk about the functionality of borders and have borders be arranged organically in Iraq based on those.
1, 2, 3, 4. Borders is a really good answer because these were artificially drawn after World War I. Maybe we need to redraw these based upon what they want. Go ahead.
Another option is just not necessarily to fix Iraq, but to fix it by us slowly but surely leaving the country, but leaving them with certain guidelines to follow so that we will help them in accordance with rebuilding their country, but have a slow but sure pullout.
The U.S. needs to establish some specific goals for Iraq, number 1, for pullout, number 2, and not just, as the article said, to help Iraq, but also to help other countries in the Middle East that think like we do. Anything else you want to say?
The last option would just be to nuke the entire place and destroy the land so that we don't have a problem in Iraq anymore.
Particularly the holy sites. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And that's
I say that very tongue-in-cheek. Anybody, anything else? Greenish group, you guys have it. 4.
We got nothing.
3, got nothing. Go ahead, Beck's group, pick me a category. You guys have the board.
We want to stay with Chapter 5, Alex, for 2.
You want to say again?
Chapter 5 for 2, Alex.
Chapter 5 for 2. Najaf and Quam.
Good luck
Cole,
with that one.
I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Okay, Najaf is in Iraq.
Right.
And it's the stronghold for the religious leaders in Iraq.
It is?
And Qom is in Iran. It's the stronghold for the same.
Which religion?
Islam.
Shia.
That's right, it is. It's Shiism. Go ahead, 1, 2, tell me more. So what's the battle going on
So
here?
if you strengthen the...
starting the Iraq and then that one went to Iran because Saddam Hussein pushed it to stop, use his military so that it cannot expand in Iraq.
Okay, now there's a big difference between the way Shiism works in Iraq and in Iran. What's the difference? Because that's what I'm looking for here.
It originally started out in Iraq.
Okay, that's true. And how is Shiism practiced in Iraq versus in Iran?
Well,
What's
in
the
Iran,
difference?
aren't they the ones that are the...
It's a word that Beck uses an awful lot.
The religion.
Theocracy.
It is a theocracy in where?
In Iran.
In Iran. And theocracy means what?
To be
Ruled by religion.
Ruled by religion. 1, 2. How is it in Iraq?
It is not the theocracy. It's
Okay, what's the word?
It's just a...
I heard it.
Dictatorship? No.
Minus 2.
Team Bex.
Right here.
Go ahead, Beck.
Secular.
It is secular. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, Beck's group. 1, 2. Secular means what? Go ahead. Secular means what?
If it's the government is not ruled by religion.
Yeah, basically the government, church, separation of church and state. Click it, Mark. What do we have here? Richard's group, I've got to recount that. Greenie's group, 15. 45 for Beck's group. 58 for Maria's group. This is really, really tight. Pick me a category. Chapter 4 for 4. Go.
Chapter
Uh-oh.
Again?
This might be the worst one of all.
Wait, can we see it and then pick who
No,
does?
you can't.
I don't want to.
This is the worst one of all.
You got this.
Can we draw over here? We can't see it.
Yeah, we can do that. Come on over here.
Now how are we supposed to see?
That's what I need you to draw.
We're already invading you. Don't worry.
Got it?
So you should do it.
1 minute on the 6. Mark, hit the light, please, sir.
Music?
Diglett.
4.
Pokemon.
I can't see. Look at the articles. Don't matter.
McDonald's theory.
No.
McDonald's theory.
No.
Eighth
It's
note.
no.
16th note.
What song?
You can't talk.
Good or whatever.
Minus
Cheese.
five.
Minus cheese.
Yeah. We didn't get it anyways.
Minus 14.
Minus 14. Wow. Got about 25 seconds on this. Gotta go. We know it's some kind of song, basically.
I'm loving it.
I'm loving it.
That's not bad. Got it. There's a song.
Old McDonald had a farm.
Got about 5 seconds on this. Oh, this is so
McDonald's
blatant.
house. House.
The McDonald's house song?
She's drawn.
Hey, that's 6. No answer. You guys want this?
Hamburger in a house.
Sing song?
I need a McDonald's song. That's what I need.
Old McDonald had a farm.
No, minus 5. I saw your hands. Go ahead. I need the song.
Let me see
Bad.
this one. Let me draw for a second.
Oh, no. We're done. We're like out of time, too. Okay. I need a song. I saw a hand.
A song?
Yeah. Maria did. Maria was waving back there. What's the McDonald's song? 4.
Boom, bop,
3.
bop,
What's the article?
It's called 2 all-beef patties, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions on a sesame seed bun. The McDonald's song.
Sesame seed
First
bun.
hand I see, McDonald's peace theory. Yeah, I think it is. Go.
Basically, they're saying that they wouldn't, any country that had McDonald's wouldn't
It
fight.
was a valiant effort. That was hard.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you've got a McDonald's existing in a country, no country with McDonald's has ever fought another country with another McDonald's. That's what they're saying on this. Mark, click it.
Okay, we got a chance.
Okay, what do we have here? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. 58 for Richard's group right now. Maria's group apparently has the lead, but it's close. Go ahead. You gave me the last correct answer. Pick a category.
No. Chapter 4.
Hit the light mark, please, sir.
No, that's not your chapter.
Yeah, that was chapter 4 for 4 points. Chapter 1 for what?
2 points.
Chapter 1 for 2. Go. List all you can. References to women or women's issues. You guys have it. You actually have it next. Go. Women or women's issues.
What issue?
You had feminism, which
What is feminism?
feminist.
4, 3.
Okay, people that fight for the right.
What's that?
Okay, let's say in India, there's the woman issues is that there's less women. There's 7,000 less women
they
born
basically-
unborn each day.
They basically
because-
focus on issues of concern to women with theoretical emphasis on gender.
There you go.
Feminism. Feminism is basically going to be dealing 1, 2, and to put it in a little bit better of a way, equal treatment for women is by law. Equal treatment for women by
It's
law.
not just women though.
It's not preference, but equal treatment.
Right.
Equal treatment. Go ahead. Anything else?
You had sex versus gender. Sex was physical and gender was ideological.
Is that a woman's issue? I don't think it is.
I have another one. There was a.
Too late. 1, 2, 3. You've got it. Go.
There are not women's issues in Iran. In Iran, the women have been treating it a lot worse than the men.
Okay.
It was like 31 women.
How? Why? What do we
For
say?
instance, okay, there was protesters that got arrested for just the act of protesting, but the thought was that the women were the United States was backing it was the Iran's theory.
I'm not buying this either. Okay, let me cut it because we're out of time and we could go for a while. All right, go ahead, click it. For women's issues, and I'll go ahead and take it over now. For women.